posibilidad na ang iyang pag-angakit in that 2028?
Oh, as far as the Filipinos are concerned, the trust of the Filipino to the Duterte political brand is very, very high. Pag naog ni Tatay Digong, historic nga high. Unya, even sa kang Inday Sara with no budget, very consistent kayo because the brand of Duterte is about serbisyo. Ako mismo, sa tanan mga tragedy nga hitabo diri sa Cebu, mag-una permanente ang Vice President, Office of the Vice President, pagpada og mga relief goods. Unya, ang uban, musunod na lang pero puro optics lang. So, dili ma-question ang integrity sa service ni BP Inday. So, it only justifies nganong taas ang iyahang rating. Unya, obvious kayo nga ang kining mo bitaw nagkuanta ni nga warning kay gihimog yung weapon ang 1987 Constitution nga impeach si Sara because nakita na nila nga either way di gyud mapildi si Sara. Bisan pag kanang kuan sa paglimbungan nila pero kinahanglan matangtang pod ng limbungan dihang dako sa Comelec.
Okay. Ay naka ko kuan importante kay sa murag campaign nga may tabo niya later kining anti-incumbency campaign. So
yes.
Attorney General Sabidra will explain further by nana.
Elaborate.
Actually, the Cebu Alliance for the 2028 will be focusing on the anti-incumbency campaign. So those who are incumbent but were not able to deliver of course, the unsay kining interest for the people, they are really watched, no, gitan-aw nato na sila if and when may bawaan that during their incumbency, they just make money, puno ilang bulsa, naka-share sila sa maleta, but and at the same time, you're not able to deliver projects, no, or they delivered ghost or kining kanang mga substandard ng mga proyekto. So they are watched, no, gitan-aw na sila. And Cebu Alliance for the 2028, this is an alliance of the people, no? Ang mga tao din mismo sila. And in fact, they are requesting barangay level seminars para ma-appeal sila sa alliance, no? And this anti-incumbency campaign, this might make a floodgate of changes in the 2025 election, no? You might see results na those who are new to the political arena mo'y mugawas during the election, no? It happened in 2025 that ang katong mga dunay karaan nga haligi sa politika gipildig bago. It is because of the anti-incumbency stance of the Cebuano voters, no? So bantayanan ang 2025 if this incumbent could still be voted or not. Bantayanan din siya. So 2025, let us see.
2028, no?
Hindi, karon.
No, 2028. I'm sorry, 2028. I'm sorry.